Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Guys, I just came back from school. I'm going to make dinner for my family, and today I'll be making spaghetti. So first thing, and by the way guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. First thing first, I'm going to put my salt inside my hot water. Now I'll put my spaghetti. Oh, that was fast. So you guys, I'm gonna let it be there for 5 minutes. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And by the way, guys, don't forget to like my phone. See you guys. Hey guys, while my spaghetti is getting ready, I'm gonna make my stream. First things first, I put in my butter. And by the way, guys, my stream has been already washed. Put this in the sink, guys. Guys, I'm using my unsalted butter. Hey guys, now I put in my stream. And my stream is already washed. Hey guys, now I'm going to marinate it with my black pepper and paprika. Now I put in my paprika. Now I'll mix. Hey guys, this is how my stream looks like. It looks so good, and I'm going to take it out and let's do it. Guys, now let's make our spaghetti. But first thing first, this is how it looks like. Guys, I'll put in my cooking oil and yeah. Now put in my onions. Now put in my tomato sauce. Now put in my blended tomatoes. This is very spicy, guys. Now put in my bell pepper. Ooh, spicy. So you guys, I'm gonna put in my spices and yeah. So here I have my spicy. I put in 1 scoop. Now put in my thyme. Now put in all my spices. Here I have my salt, my black pepper, my crunchy onion, my white pepper, my chipotle, my all-purpose seasoning, and my paprika. So let's do it. And here I have 3 bay leaves. Now I'm gonna put in my seasoning cube. This is so optional, guys. So you guys, this is a seasoning cube. I put in 2. I just put on my first one. This is the second one, and this is so optional. This is my seasoning cube. So you guys, I'm gonna let it to be there for 10 minutes. I'm gonna close it, take off the spoon, and I'm gonna put on my spaghetti when it's ready. now I'm gonna put in my spaghetti. And I'll put in my scallion. Well guys, this is how it looks like. Now I'll put in my spaghetti. So you guys, now I'll stir. Now I'll put in my stream. Now I'll put in my scallion. I'm gonna stir and we're gonna serve. Hey guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, and this is how it looks like. And by the way guys, look at the last current follow up. You guys have an amazing day. We're gonna serve right now, and yeah, it looks so bomb. So you guys, let's serve. I'm gonna pray and then eat. But first things first, I have to put my food there. So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so bomb. I'm gonna pray and then eat. Amen, amen. Lord bless this food, bless who doesn't have, thank for life, thank for everything. Amen. Now let's taste. Three, two, one. This is so good, guys, and this is for those who made it to the end. You guys, you have to make this at home, and you have to make this for your family. If you want to do IT, if you want to be a data engineer or cloud engineer, click on the link below to register, because my dad's an IT person. And you guys have to make this spaghetti. And yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. I want to reach 3,000 subscribers, please. Peace.